Good morning, children. 10th class, chapter 2, chemistry. Subtopic is the pH scale. What is pH scale? A scale for measuring by hydrogen. A scale for measuring by hydrogen ions concentration in a solution is called pH scale. Simple method. Concentration of H plus ions in solutions. The pH scale proposed by Sorensen. pH scale proposed by Sorensen. The P in pH stand for Potential. pH P in pH stand for Potential. In Germany, Potential is power. In Germany, Potential is power. P the Potential. P the Potential. pH value of a solution is simply a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of solutions. Next, pH scale range is 0 to 14. pH scale range is 0 to 14. So in the 0 to 14, acidic solution is 0 to 7. Acidic solution is 0 to 7. Basic solution is 7 to 14. Basic solution is 7 to 14. Neutral solution is 7. Neutral solution is 7. It represented the degrees in H2O ions, decrease in H2O ion concentrate or increase OH ions or ions concentration in the solution. pH value of the solution above the 7 represent the basic solutions. Next, in the pH scale 0 to 14, acidic solution is 0 to 7, basic solution is 7 to 14, neutral solution is 7. But against 0 to 7, some again parts. As strong acids, strong acid of pH scale is 0 to 3.5. Weak acid of pH scale is 3.5 to 7. Weak base, after 7 is the base, below 7 is the acids. 7 is the neutral solution. Weak base is 7 to 0.5. Strong base is 0.5 to 14. Now you are observe tables. That is, see, 0 to 3.5. 0 to 3.5 up to here. Strong. 3.5 to 7. 7 is the weak. 7 is the neutral solution. Next 7 to 10.5 weak bases. 10.5 to 14 the strong bases. Next, universal indications. Universal indications. Mixing of universal indications is called universal indicators. Mixing of universal indicators, children. Mixing of several indicators is called universal indicators. Now, universal indicators means gives the different colors with different values. Different colors, different values. For example, 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3 red color. 0, 1, 2, 3 universal indicator is red color. 3, the universal indicator of the 3 is orange. Universal indicator of 3 is orange. 4 is the pH of fourth indicator is light yellow. Fourth indicator is light yellow. Next 5 to 10 green color, but 5 is the 5 indicator is the light green. 5 indicator is the light green. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or inverse indicator is green color. Inverse indicator is green color. 11 to 14 is the black indicators. 11 to 14 is the black indicators. For example, some examples of the solution. Now HCl color of pH paper. HCl color of pH paper is deep red. Deep red. Next, pH value is 1.2 to 1.2. The pH value is 1.2. Natural solution is acidic. Natural solution is acidic. Now for example, banana juice. Banana juice is the banana juice color of the pH scale is apple green. Apple green. Approximately pH value is 5. pH value is 5. Melting acids. Mild acids. Mild acid banana. Banana juice. Banana juice. Now carrot juice. Carrot juice is the light green. Carrot juice is the light green of the pH. On the pH paper, light green. Approximately value is the 5 and 6. 5 and 6. This is also melting acid. This is also mild acids. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is the in the pH scale is red. The value is 2.2. The value is pH value is 2.2. The acid is mild acid. The acid is mild acid. This is children. This is the pH scale of the values of the different universal indicators. Next, coming to the importance of the pH. Importance of the pH in everyday life. Importance of pH in everyday life. First point, plants and animals are pH sensitive. Plants and animals are pH sensitive. That point I am explaining. In plants and animals, living organisms can survive only in narrow range of pH change. When pH of the rainwater is less than 5.5, it is called acid rains. When acid rain flow to the rivers, acid rain flow to the rivers, it lower the pH of the river water. The severely aquatic life, such rivers becomes difficult. Next, see again clear. Rainwater pH is less than 5.6. It rainwater is less than 5.6. That is called acid rains. It acid rains enter to river. Then water pH change and effect of the aquatic life in the plants and animals. pH change causes our tooth decay. Tooth enamels made up of calcium phosphide. Ca3PO4 twice. Ca3PO4 twice. If mouth pH less than 5.5, tooth decay occurs. About toothpaste is a mild base. Therefore, toothpaste is a mild base. pH is our digestive system. pH is our digestive system. Antecedent is mild base, MgOH twice. Next, pH of the soil.